Hi friends, welcome to our channel Stock Informer. Let's dive into today's stock discussion.
Hey investors and tech enthusiasts, ever wonder which companies are truly building the future of India? Today, we're diving deep into a stock that's not just riding the Indian growth wave, but actively creating it. ABB India. This isn't just another industrial stock. This is a story of strategic transformation, unparalleled profitability, and a decade of delivering incredible returns. Let's break down how ABB India became an unstoppable force. India is in the midst of a massive industrial and infrastructure boom. From smart cities to high-speed railways, from renewable energy to advanced manufacturing, it all needs power and precision. And that's precisely where ABB India shines. They are at the heart of this transformation with two core pillars: electrification, making sure power gets where it needs to go efficiently, and automation, making industry smarter, faster, and more productive. Now, let's talk about the game changer. Around 2018 to 2019, ABB globally and significantly in India made a bold move. They divested their power grids business. Why was this massive? Because power grids was capital intensive and generally lower margin. By spinning it off, ABB India could sharpen its focus entirely on its high growth, high profitability segments: electrification, motion, process automation, and robotics. This strategic pivot was absolutely crucial. It set the stage for the explosive financial performance we've seen since. Let the numbers do the talking. Over the last decade, particularly post 2019, ABB India's financials have been spectacular. We've seen revenue growth accelerate significantly, but the real magic is in the profitability. Their net profit after tax has seen a staggering 40%, plus compound annual growth rate over the last 5 years. This is directly due to that strategic focus on high-margin products. And look at their efficiency. Return on equity, ROE approaching 30%, and return on capital employed, ROCE, even higher. This tells you they're generating exceptional returns from every rupee invested plus. They maintain a virtually debt-free balance sheet, a fortress of financial strength. So what's fueling this momentum and why do we believe it will continue? Firstly, India's capex cycle is just getting started. Think massive investments in data centers, EV charging infrastructure, modernizing railways, and expanding manufacturing. Secondly, Industry 4.0 and digitalization. ABB Ability, their digital platform, offers smart solutions for predictive maintenance, energy optimization, and connected operations. A huge growth area. And finally, their local for local strategy and deep manufacturing footprint in India aligns perfectly with Make in India, giving them a competitive edge in delivery and cost. Now, some might look at ABB India's valuation, trading at a PE in the 60s, and wonder if it's too high. Let's compare it briefly to its closest peer, Siemens India. While Siemens is a fantastic company with a larger revenue base, ABB India consistently shows superior net profit margins, ROE and ROCE. This financial efficiency is key. The market assigns a premium to ABB India because of its focused, high growth, high profitability model. It's considered a pure play bet on the most lucrative parts of India's industrial transformation, and its superior capital allocation justifies that scarcity premium. In summary, ABB India's journey over the last decade is a textbook example of how strategic restructuring, combined with a strong market tailwind, can unlock immense shareholder value. From shedding lower margin businesses to doubling down on high-tech electrification and automation, ABB India is not just participating in India's growth, it's defining it. What do you think about ABB India's growth story? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth analyses, and hit that notification bell.
That's all for today's market update. If you gained valuable insights, please consider liking this video. For continuous access to our expert analysis on Indian share market results and announcements, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support by sharing this video with your network is also highly valued. Thank you for tuning in.